Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how to set up SMTP in cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, SMTP is pretty much an acronym for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's pretty much the system you set up when you want to send emails through your own website hosting and not through Google, Gmail, Yahoo, whatever it is that you want. Now, to set it up in cPanel, it's a relatively easy process. You need to log into your cPanel, and then you need to go into the email accounts through the interface, and you'll just find it in the main page menu in the email section. Then once you're there, you just need to click the create button and then select a domain, username, and password. Then click create at the bottom, and it'll generate a new account. Then the next job is to configure the client. And the way that you do it, the SMTP settings are available in the Connect Devices interface right next to the user you've already created. So just click on that. And then on this page, you'll find the username, URL, SMTP port number, etc., etc. These details are what you need to give to your app to be able to send your emails through that port. And through the SMTP system, and that is pretty much it. Once you have this information, you just need to set it up and just give the details to the app that you're using for emails, and then you'll be able to send your emails. And as you can see, cPanel does strongly recommend using more secure SSL TLS details rather than the non-SSL settings, simply for security reasons. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.